Hello. We are going to take this opportunity to clear our nostrils. Breathe in fully into the belly. Smile and get us to sigh out and perhaps a little laughter. Close your left nostril and exhale fully through your right nostril only 3 times. Well done, you. Smile. Close your right nostril and exhale 3 times through your left nostril. Smile. Well done, you. Now close your left nostril and inhale and exhale through your right nostril only. 1 full breath. Well done, you. Smile. Now close your right nostril and exhale and inhale. Inhale and exhale through your left nostril only. Full breath. Well done, you. Smile. I'd like you to breathe in through both nostrils. A full breath into the belly, nice, slowly and deeply, and slowly exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel the belly in through the nose and exhale. Inhale through the nose and exhale with a sigh. Inhale, exhale and sigh out. Empty your belly on the exhalation. Inhale and laugh it out. Ha 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 ha. Inhale and laugh it out. Ha ha ha. Inhale and allow your exhale to be the power, the engine of your laughter. Inhale whenever you need and exhale for your laughter. Always filling your belly fully and exhaling fully. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Laugh it out. Breathe in. Laugh it out. I hope that this moment allowed you to reconnect with your balanced self. Remember, connect with your breath whenever you need to feel calmer or energized. Bye for now.